What's going on, guys? It's the dude from Dudes, and my brother gave me 20 pounds of ground beef, so expect a lot of ground beef recipes coming out. Right now, we're gonna make tacos. No, we're not. We're making the crunch wrap, because the crunch wrap is the best munchy food of all time. That's what we're doing. This is 80-20 ground beef, 1 onion. We're just gonna get it chopped in there, okay? 1 onion. Boom, 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 boom. Me continually saying boom would get annoying. Boom, boom, boom. No tears over here. Bench scraper. We gotta make our own. I keep saying, we gotta make our own bench scraper. I wasn't really expecting to have to cook today, but you know, I have 20 pounds of extra ground beef. Thank you, Gordon. But we're gonna make some Steak Papi CRUNCHWRAP Supreme. I can't even say CRUNCHWRAP Supreme. They're gonna sue us. We're gonna make a dude wrap. Steak Papi, 30% off on our website right now, guys. Along with everything else. Probably 3 tablespoons in there. I didn't really measure this. It's probably around 1.5 pounds of meat. Fucking onions. Now we're just gonna mix it up a little bit. So we're gonna brown this in our cast iron skillet over here. Always a big fan of playing with my meat. Don't put it on there until it's smoking. We got smoke. Avocado oil. It's got a higher smoking point. We're working with cast iron. We want the highest one possible. This thing gets super hot, super fast. We're ready to go. All right, just moving around a little bit. Did you guys know that right now at dudesgourmet.com, every order over 65 bucks is free shipping? What are you doing here? Go to the website. Come on, shut the door because the thing's gonna go off. All right, guys, we're browning this over here. We don't want to overcook it. It smells fantastic. Everybody knows that when you're working with a metal pan, you gotta use a metal spoon. Duh. Try not to get meat everywhere. It's okay, I'm cooking for myself. Now we're gonna chop up some lettuce. All right, standard tomato ingredients over here. Do I need to show you how to cut a tomato? I mean, whatever. Top off, slice that. Helps if you have a really sharp knife, especially like this one from Forge to Table. My buddy Noah. Tell him the dude sent you. I just want to go on the record here and say that it's perfectly okay for you to use some store-bought guac for homemade tacos. Shave your own cheese. More cost-effective. You just need a box grater, it's fine. This is actually Colby Jack and cheddar. It's a little different than your typical cheese. Get in here and break it all up until it's all brown. And everybody knows Dudes Gourmet is all low sodium, so what do we use? The best salt around, Murray River. Did you guys know that this is 2/3 less sodium than whatever you have at your house now? And usually the French chefs loves that Malden sea salt. This is way better. And pink Himalayan salt, get over it, okay? It's not that good. It's way better. Besides, have you seen the girls in Australia? Woo! Way better than the ones in the Celtic Sea. Love to go to Australia, bro. You think they have Taco Bells in Australia? I would love, bro. I'd love a hot blonde, bro. Like a hot blonde that loves like sharks and shit. I feel like there's a lot of them over there.
Tell them to buy more juice. You can go to Australia.
Hey guys, can you do me a favor and just can you maybe buy some more? I think that I'm very single in the United States. I feel like my wife might be waiting for me in Australia. So I need to go over there. So you guys need to buy more dudes so I can go on a plane, shoot some good content. Maybe I'll swim with sharks. Maybe I'll do some stuff. Maybe I'll meet a wife. Buy more dudes. Hey Gordon, thanks for the free meat, but it's kind of shitty. But luckily for you, Steak Papi makes everything not taste like shit. Did you guys know that Steak Papi is also low in sodium? Did you guys know that? And 30% off right now on our website. I don't know if you guys see like all these like little crackly burnt bits in here. Like that is flavor. That's what you get when you use a cast iron skillet on high heat. It's like the edges of like the burger, like you know, that are like little crispy and like. Just imagine having a whole dude wrap of that.
Yeah, we should totally dress you up like a pilgrim. For like, maybe after this thing.
Oye, muchachos! Me llamo Steak Papi. Did you know right now at dudesgourmet.com I am 30% off as long as all my other dudes. Go! Mail, build a bundle for you, muchachos. Adios, amigos. All right, guys, we're back in business. Okay, looks like we're almost burning. Let's go. We're done over here. Look at that. Oh, wow. We're good. Let's get this off. Where's my slotted spoon? Guys, slotted spoon. Let's get this out over here. Ready? And this is how I can tell that it's not the best quality meat because there's a lot of oil in here. But we're going to reuse that oil and we are going to toast our dude wraps in there. Guys, all that beef fat is flavor. We're using cast iron. Just rub it in a little bit. Get all the things that can burn off the pan. Put these back on. Where did these come from? Oh, these are Steak Papis. All right, let's get our pan back up. We're gonna go on medium. We're gonna actually go on lower heat because this thing gets super hot. We are gonna go in with a very little bit of oil on the bottom of the pan. What's going on over there, bro? Why am I out of focus? Let's make our crunch wrap. What goes on the bottom of crunch wrap? Meat? We'll figure this out. I think it's meat. I think meat goes on the bottom. Meat and cheese. Or I think it's meat, cheese, then tostada. Meat, cheese, tostada, lettuce, tomato, sauce. We're gonna put our pan on super low. So guys, if you try to fold this up right now, it ain't gonna work. So, cheat code. We're gonna take another one, and you are just gonna take a quarter of it. Now, very simply, you are just gonna fold in the sides, like that. It's tough. It's like origami. It's a good word, origami, huh? Origami. Can't spell it, but I know what it is. We're gonna be quick, okay? We're gonna do this quick. We're gonna do it quick. All right? Oh. We got it. Boom. Done. Is this sealed together yet? Yes, it is. Whoop. So the hardest thing about making crunch wraps is gonna be keeping it together, kind of like your life. So, yeah. Well, mine's done. Cool. Hell yeah, dude. Dude, this is why I need you here, bro. I mean, I never would have thought to make this.
Let me get a nice close-up.
Bro, I don't want to say that, but this is delicious. Gordon, thank you for the chopped meat, bro. I know I was making fun of it before, but it makes great dude wrap supremes. Dude, we should have just made way more of this meat. This meat's great. See, guys, you see how versatile you can get with your ground beef, especially when it comes to Mexican food. And if you're not making any kind of Mexican or Spanish food with Steak Papi, then are we even friends? Like, come on. We just made a burrito, crunch wrap. Like, come on, bro. That was quicker than actually driving to Taco Smell and getting it, okay? Like, that was way better, you know, just, and it tastes better. And you know, like, it's me making it, not like some person. I'm a big fan. I'm a big fan of this Steak Papi burrito and the Steak Papi crunch wrap. I'm a big fan of Steak Papi. He's my amigo. People tell us we look alike too. Weird. I don't know if you can tell us or not, but I was a little hungry. I can't believe that we just made Taco Bell in less time than going to Taco Bell. I can. We're the dudes from Dudes.